All right, with the two recent hurricanes that we just recently have, it took a toll on this one larger mausoleum that I have sitting right here. Now, during Hurricane Helene, I never even hurt this thing, never even moved it, budged it, even though it actually took the top half of two of my trees. You can see it took a pretty good size of a tree in the neighbor's property and never did anything to it. Milton came through. Milton didn't knock a single tree branch down, just some little small debris stuff, but it completely destroyed this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish destroying it with my tractor. So hope you all enjoy this. Next thing is just to load everything on the trash trailer, and I guess this gives me a reason to build another one down the road. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.